Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here to tell you the whisper of the day. But before we get to today's whisper, you know it, we got to talk about yesterday's whisper. So yesterday, I told you that I was bearish on Intel. Below that 30 level, has a really nice head and shoulders pattern, which is a bearish pattern. I've been watching the price action, and as soon as she dropped down below that 30, this thing went all the way down to 29, 20. So many of my traders in the Java pit were rocking this stock yesterday. Taco made a nice 41 cents on a day trade. Roxy rocked it for 17 cents. Carl rocked it. The Cowboy rocked it using puts. Still bearish on it. As long as it stays below 30, I do have a lower end target of 28 on it. However, I'm going to scale out a little bit at 28.75 if she comes down there. Also yesterday, I told you I was bearish on the SPY. And if you recall, my first targets on the SPY were 205, then down to 204, which we came yesterday. We hit that 250. Simple moving average. If you don't have this on your chart, I highly suggest you put it in, because so many times when we break this 200, likes to come down to the 250. Took a wicked bounce up. A lot of short covering. Yesterday's print of the day on the SPY was 206.63. So a lot of price action there. So keep your eye right there. Also, the pivot is 206.60. So I'm going to be bearish if she breaks down below this 206 today. So definitely watch that. My traders were rocking it on the short side. Pinky rocked HVU.TO. That's the S&P 500 VIX. In Canada, she rocked that for a nice 23 cents. Great trade, Pinky. Keith L. rocked the SPY puts. Leslie rocked TZA, SPXS. And but the trader of the day, you guys, goes to Foxy Roxy. She rocked the Intel, CMCM. Oh, wow. Beta for 64 cents. SDRL. She rocked USO, REG. If it was moving yesterday, she was rocking it. Now, I had my best trading day of the month yesterday. If you guys recall, I had some longer term swings. Well, long term for me is a couple days, but I loved when I got out of it. I tweeted it yesterday. When a stock has such a big move like this in one day, I like to take my profits and like to get back in on a retrace back to the 8. Also took profits on Costco, which had a really big pop yesterday, and PG, if you recall last week, that was in my whisper, took the profit. This guy hit that 100 moving average. Okay, so had my best days. Sue L and Fox yesterday actually nominated me for the trader of the day today, but you know what, guys, I'm the teacher. It's priceless when I see you guys doing really well. So congratulations, Foxy. Really great day yesterday. All right, so what are we watching today? Not Intel. Besides Intel, we're watching Alcoa coming out with earnings after the close. Has about 63,000 volumes so far, and this is the level that we're going to be trading at, 11. All right, so going to be bearish below it. Great trade down to 1080. Bullish above it. Great trade up to 1120. However, it does have some resistance at the 8 EMA 1124. But if she can break above 1125, there's a lot of room to run to 1150. Do not hold this stock into earnings. This is strictly a day trade on pre-market momentum. Come watch me trade this stock and so many more at the Java Pit Trading Room at www.thestockwhisperer.com. And don't forget the Stock Twits meetup group tonight at the coffee shop, 29 Union Street. See you there at 5:30. Happy trading, everybody.